Okay, Pat. To launch a successful real estate fund, or any business for that matter, it's not just about finding great properties. It's about building the perfect team. Here's our formula for success in 5 key roles. Number 1, financial rock stars. First things first, bring in sharp financial minds. These are the ROI experts who live and breathe cash flow and profit analysis. Their job? To ensure every deal works hard for the bottom line. Number 2, master underwriters. Skilled underwriters can assess risk, spot opportunities, and structure deals. They're here to protect our investments while pushing for higher returns and making sure that we underwrite fast. 3, visionary deal architects. We look for big picture strategists who can see the long game. They ensure that our acquisition fits into our growth story, keeping an eye on trends, zoning laws, long-term value, and of course, buying creatively. Number 4, administrative wizards. Every growing team needs a pro who keeps things organized, from managing documents to investor communications. They bring order to the chaos as we scale. Number 5, systems builders. Anything we do more than once, we turn into a process. We create playbooks and systems. Systems mean speed, efficiency, and getting new team members on board fast as we scale. We have this team in place, and it's what sets us up for success. With these roles filled by experts, we're ready to scale, seize opportunities, and make our mark in the boutique hotel space. Starting with the right people in the right roles has turned our vision into a reality, and we're just getting started.